Hello, Professor. Myself, Manish Batra, team leader of this project. This project is about University Finder application. Here is my team member name. This application is this application is useful for the student and user to easily search, view, bookmark, and bookmarks universities all over the world. We have using a feature like authentication, for data filtering, and user specific university management. We have use React.js for the front end and Firebase for the back end authentication. Technology as a technology stack, we use React.js as front end, Node.js and Express.js as back end. Fire authenticate based authentication for authentication, user login and or sign up. Firebase store for our database bootstrap and CSS styling for styling. Here is our folder. We have created university finder folder, and inside this we have created the two folder, client and server. Inside the client, there are folder for the land page, html, html all main components like page, login, dashboard. Client is for the front end, where is server is for the backend to handle API. As a core functionality, we have use Firebase authentication for user authentications. So we have mentioned our search functions, university dashboard, bookmarks, or save features. Uh, Firebase authentic we use Firebase authentication to handle secure login and sign up for database. Fire store database, where data store data of university name, location, and the link. Here is our workflow. User visit the land page, landing page, then sign up or log in, then is successfully, well, after login the successfully it moved to the dashboard. Then we can sort the university there, we can save, and we can see the link of the university there. It is This is our main page where we can, and we like here the main page we can log in here. After the login successfully, we move this to this our page. Then we can source our universities here. This is a sample of we source to the university which is lies given the which this in which country this university lies and in which cities. Here is a visiting website of the main page of this university, main website of this university. Once we click the these universities, we can see, like, we can see the main page or main website of the university. We directly we just click, then we will move to this page. This is and we can get the university's information. We can study the main page of a university directly. We have created this university for the university student. For their easiness and save the times, they can um, source in for universities in this platform without any distraction, without any advertisement. Now let's move to our code sections. This is our code sections. Here we can see two folder. This is our main folder, university finder apps, and inside this we have created the two folder, client folder and server folder. As I explained before, we have here a code as a client. Inside the code a client, we have all the codes. Here is for database, node modules. Here is HTML, index, HTML, CSS. We have inside the client we have a SLC folder where component include a protected root.js, source bar.js, university card.js, university list.js. Content as a content is for source for content inside the content folder there is a source content.js, um, and page as a page there is a dashboard.js, home.js, login.js, save university.js, sign up.js. Uh, Here is our applications apps.js code. Let's move the server. So if we have created here data folder, and for the easiness I have their university JSON for only for this project, not for the there is a list of the some universities worldwide like University Korea of South Korea, and Yonsei University of South Korea, Harvard University of US, of Oxford University of United Kingdom, to University of Tokyo of Japan, ETH Zurich of Switzerland, University of Toronto of Canada. Like I have mentioned, so 10 university here. We run for the front end as a terminal running. We have entering the client folder, then we will install npm to run, and we start the npm install, then we will get the we will see here our folder, front end of our folder is running successfully. And for the uh, server folder, we will move to will in here, and now move to the server folder. Server, then we will, after that we will for will we already moved to the server folder, then we will install the backend dependencies by npm install, then it will be run. After that we will run node index.js. After run this, we'll get the host. I'm already using this, so it is showing there. Yes. After like this, we can run the backend, and we will connect. If backend is not properly run, then it will not give the data information. We will connect the front and backend to get the information. And this much for our project.